First off, I'm going to take this orange shade from the 3502 palette and I'm going to blend that into my crease. And then I'm going to take this orange shade from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and use that just to intensify the orange shade a bit more. So I wasn't even going to talk in this video because I was just planning on this being a voiceover, but I had to say something about this brush because I got this brush a couple weeks ago and I've only used it a few times. I think I've only used it once actually, and I don't think I realized how good it blends because I think I used it for deepening the crease versus doing the crease color. But this brush is so bomb. I just realized it. It's the Morphe M514 and I'm just like, this thing literally blends itself. Like, I just applied I'm applying the orange from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and literally, watch this. Just watch how it blends itself. Like, and it's so fluffy that like, even if you're pretty heavy-handed with it, like I'm really heavy-handed with eyeshadows, but this thing just blends so freaking good. So next I'm going to take this deeper orange shade and mix it with a sort of burgundy type shade. And I'm going to use this to deepen my crease. Then I'm going to mix these two shades together and apply that to deepen my crease. Next, I'm going to cut my crease with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. We're going to be doing a pretty blunt cut crease. It doesn't have to be very perfect at all. Next, we're going to be taking Pyramid from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and patting that all over the lid using our finger just to get a more intense application. And I wanted it to be a bit more bronze, so I'm taking the color Eternal from the same palette and patting that right on top. Next, I'm going to be applying these Bombshell Cosmetica lashes in the style Bling. For my face, I'm going to go ahead and prime with the Tarte Poreless Primer. And I'm going to tell you guys, I've been on the search for a good primer for the longest. That one that will actually fill my pores and help prevent creasing in my foundation. And this one I found has worked the best. It definitely works to fill in these pores. And here I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream just to further prime my face. Now I'm going to take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and apply that to my face as well. Here I'm just putting on some more Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my bags, and I'm going to set it with the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm taking both shades in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit just to bronze up my face some. And here I'm just going to apply the same orange shade that I used on my eyelid on my lower lash line, and I'm going to put some black liner in my waterline. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter just to highlight all over my face. I'm just going to apply some lipstick, and this one's by Too Faced. It's called Sunday Funday, and right on top of that I'm applying the Kim Kardashian West by Kylie Cosmetics Kimberly Creme Liquid Lipstick. And that was a little bit too bright for me, so then I take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sepia lip gloss and put that right on top just to deepen it a little bit. Finally, I'm going to apply some brow gel, set my face, and that is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.